And as Fuller said then, he says, the student eventually finds their study. I'll say it again. You should take the student out of school and let them find their study. And my study, you look at all the past with Rich Dad and Poor Dad and all this stuff, was a study of the monetary system. It really wasn't real estate or stocks or bonds. It was really the study of the monetary system. So this book got me started here. And then and I read this book here. So part of it is we actually do know something about monetary systems, which 99.99% of people on planet Earth have no idea. So this is a creature from Jekyll Island. I'm going to the Red Pill Expo up in Spokane. It's really a good expo to go listen to and all this. He was on the real estate guys cruise with us. It's just hanging out with these guys. But then, like I said, on Monday, Rickards came to town, and they're saying the same thing. They're all saying the same thing. So that's what gives us the power, but it's also not comfortable because what I'm saying is treasonous. It's not that we're treasonous, but we've been lied to. And our school system's complicit in it. That's why there's no financial education in schools. So if you understand that, I would question how much you trusted the school system. That makes sense, you guys here? Yeah. So, as we put this book together, there'll be a reading material. I don't expect you to read the monetary stuff. That's pretty dry, but I love it. And I just power right through it, you know. And because it was my study. So as Fuller says, get the student out of school and let them get back to their study. So here's 1981, you know, that picture I'm going, because I was always a in school. I hated it. I didn't know why I was there. And once I understood that, I said, okay, that's it. And that picture there is like the story of the Buddha who, he found enlightenment under the Bodhi tree. Every religion has this story, you know. I mean, like Jesus was born to a virgin. I'm going, come on, you guys, give me a break here. You know, why can't he just be born? You know, and then he walked on water and go, huh? But they have to have this, I don't know if it's true or not, but I'm forced to believe it. So the reason that precession, that thing is, a generalized principle is true in every case. And Fuller said there's 250 generalized principles. And so we've put together a little fund to study them. Unfortunately, he died. So all I know is about 10. And I've done this much tapping into the principles of God, just following those principles of precession, lag time, ephemeralization, and things. And that'll be added to the book here. But I wanted to show you why our schools screw us over is because that's what Sean Akor said in this book here. They want us to study alone and take tests alone. Divide and conquer. It is part of the generics. So that's why this is a very important book for those who want to teach for us. Because he had the guts to go out and say, this is screwed up. You know, he says it leaves kids depressed, unhappy, lonely. And is that correct? Yeah, it's a horrible system. But it was never designed to make you smart. It was only designed to have you do as you're told, period.